To set up the Instacart Super App, start by opening the Play Store or App Store on your device. Search for Instacart and select the application. Then click Install. Once the app is installed, open it and choose the type of account you want to create, either a personal or business account. Click the Sign Up button and provide your phone number. Or continue with Google, Facebook, or your email ID. Create a password, ensuring it is at least 8 characters long. You will then receive a 6-digit verification code via email, which you will need to enter to verify your account. After verification, you can invite family members or skip this step. Enter your zip code to find available stores in your area, and select the one you want to shop from. Browse the store's products, add items to your cart, and click View Cart. To check out, you must add a minimum of $10 to your cart. Proceed to the checkout, enter your address, and select your preferred delivery priority. Add your payment method and click Continue to place your order. This completes the setup process for the Instacart app.